Meaning of false teeth.
False teeth.
False teeth.
False teeth.
False teeth. False teeth are dental prosthetics used to replace missing or damaged natural teeth. They are typically made of materials such as porcelain or acrylic resin, and can be either partial or full dentures, depending on the needs of the patient. False teeth can improve a person's ability to chew and speak, as well as enhance their appearance and boost their confidence. Proper care and maintenance of false teeth is important to ensure their longevity and effectiveness. Overall, false teeth provide a valuable solution for individuals dealing with tooth loss or damage.